So let's discuss the nitrogen cycle. In the nitrogen cycle, we start with free nitrogen that's up in the atmosphere. And it's basically two nitrogen atoms that are bonded together and pretty much unusable by everything on the planet. So nitrogen will fall to the ground with precipitation, and when it hits the ground, as the water seeps into the ground with the nitrogen, there's bacteria there that will take that free nitrogen and begin to fix it so that living things can use it. Now, the first kind of bacteria will actually take that free nitrogen and will then add hydrogen atoms and separate the two nitrogen atoms. This is called ammonification. This is beginning the process of nitrogen fixation. There's another kind of bacteria that will take that ammonia, because ammonia is not really great for plants and animals, and it will continue to consume it and digest it, and then what it produces is nitrates, and this is called nitrification. Now, it's this NO3 that is then usable by plants. This is what plants use to help them grow and become more mature. And then, of course, there's that that nitrogen is then available within the plants, and then animals come around and they eat the plants, putting nitrogen into their bodies. Now, of course, plants and animals will eventually die, and when that happens, decomposers come along. They break down the bodies, and then the nitrates go back into the soil. Those nitrates are then consumed by another kind of bacteria, which will then produce free nitrogen that goes back up into the air because it's in a gaseous form.